Hello everyone. I am Dr. Khushboo Sandhu from School of Management, Sage University, Bhopal. And today I have presenting my video lecture on characteristics of entrepreneur of the subject entrepreneurship development. Here are some important characteristics of entrepreneur. The first characteristics is locus of control. Entrepreneurs believes in their own ability to control the consequences of their endeavor by influencing their socio-economic environment rather than leave everything to luck. They strongly believe that they can govern and shape their own destiny. The second characteristic is hope of success. Actually, hope of success is a significant quality of entrepreneurial personality. Entrepreneurs set their goals with a hope of success rather than fear of failure. This is because they set their goals on the basis of facts and their ability. Next point is flexibility. Most of the successful entrepreneurs measures the pros and cons of a decision and tend to change. If the situation demands, they never feel reluctant to revise their decisions. The next point is openness to feedback and learning from experience. Successful entrepreneurs like to have immediate feedback of their performance. They learn from their experience and never get discouraged having received unfavorable information. On the contrary, they are stimulated by unfavorable information to involve themselves sincerely in their own task to reach their desired goals. Next point is confronting uncertainty. Successful entrepreneurs are always optimistic and take every odd as the opportunity. They maneuver their environment in such a way that the works get accomplished rationally. Thus, they win by the application of their extraordinary insight and skills. Next is interpersonal skills. Entrepreneurs are always comfortable while dealing with people at all levels. During the course of their action, they come across a cross section of individuals with whom they have to deal. They interact with raw material suppliers, customers, bankers, and many more for different activities. As a successful entrepreneurs, they should be persons who like working with others, possessing the much needed quality of interpersonal skills to deal with people. Next point is stress takers. Entrepreneurs are capable of working for long hours and solving different complexities at the same time. As the captain of an industry or an enterprise, an entrepreneur faces a number of problems and in right moment he takes right decision which may involve physical as well as mental stress. Next point is leadership. Entrepreneur should possess the quality of leadership. Leadership is the ability to expert interpersonal influence by means of communication towards the achievement of goals. They are the leaders who provide the necessary spark to motivation by guiding, inspiring, assisting, and directing the members of the group for the achievements of unity of action, efforts, and purpose. Next and the last point is self confidence. Entrepreneurs must have self confidence to accomplish the task effectively and efficiently. They must take decisions on their own in uncertain and risky situations and should stick to it confidently, even if there occurs initial setback. Thank you.